Dear friends, today we shall discuss question number 6, exercise 2.2. The question is, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk in a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? We will solve this problem like this. Total milk, total now will you rub this one. Now total milk, that is total milk total milk the vendor total milk the vendor supplies total milk the vendor supplies total milk the vendor supplies is equal to 32 liters in the morning and 68 liters in the evening. Therefore, it is equal to, in bracket, that is 32 plus 68 liters. Therefore, if you add this number, 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1 0, 6 plus 1, 7, plus 3, that is 100. That is 100 liters. Liters, right? Now, here you see this 100 liters. If the milk cost rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Since 1 liter of milk 1 liter of milk cost rupees 45. Therefore, 100 liters of milk cost rupees 45 into 100 into 100. Therefore, we are getting rupees 4,000 500. 4,500. Now the question is, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Therefore, rupees 4,500 is due to the vendor to the vendor vendor per day. This is the solution of question number 6, exercise 2.2.